Step 1. Send raw materials to the climbing hopper of the mixer by this trolley, sending the raw material to the climbing hopper of the mixer. Step 2. Start the mixer. Start the mixer by push the button on the control box of the mixer. Then start the mixer. Step 2. Sending the raw material to the mixer. Open the door on the mixer. By the switch, raw materials come to the well mixer. Raw material come to the well mixer. Start the mixer. The well mixer. Start the well mixer. Feeding pallet. Step 1. Feeding pallet.